Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Chrysler Sebring. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and access the vehicle info menu. Use the right steering wheel controls to find oil life, then press and hold OK until it resets to 100%. If the cluster lacks buttons, use the trip reset knob method and follow the same hold to reset step. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Chrysler Sebring. Start by cycling the ignition to on without starting the engine and open the vehicle info menu. Highlight oil life using the wheel controls and press and hold OK until it changes to 100%. Confirm the reset by switching the ignition off and back on, then recheck the display to ensure the oil life reads 100%. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Chrysler Sebring. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay cozy during garage work and road trips. If you like helpful tips like this, please subscribe and hit like, then check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Chrysler Sebring. If your model uses a trip odometer knob, turn the ignition to on and press, and hold the knob until the oil life changes to 100%. Release the knob and switch the ignition off and on to confirm the reset stayed saved. This manual method is handy if steering wheel controls are not present or unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.